Hey guys, ChrisFix here with Chris from BlueDriver. Does your car or truck run like this?
Today we're working on a 2004 F-150 5.4 liter V8. It's running pretty rough. It's shaking, it's stumbling, it's got a terrible idle. We're going to look at a couple of things, but the most likely culprit right now is the mass airflow sensor.
Let's go check out that live data. All right, so we have a check engine light, and the code is for a mass airflow sensor. Now I want to show you guys with live data what you can look at to see if it's actually the mass airflow sensor that's bad. So we're going to be looking at mass airflow rate. This is the live data, and we're going to be looking at it in grams per second. It should be around 8 to 10 grams per second at idle, but we'll find out what it is, and that'll let us know if our sensor is bad or dirty and it needs to be replaced or cleaned. So if you take a look at this mass airflow rate, you can see it's jumping around. It's not at that 8 to 10 grams a second. It's higher than that, and it's not stable. It should be pretty stable at idle. You could also listen in here. The idle is not stable at all. It's also jumping around. So let me show you how to check to see if the mass airflow sensor by unplugging it, and hopefully we can diagnose if we need to clean it, replace it, or something else might be wrong. So now pull this red tab back, and then press the harness and pull it off. You can hear it stumble for a second, but now it's idling way better, which means our mass airflow sensor is where the problem's at. Could be dirty, we might just need to clean it, or we might just need to replace it. And then you can hear if we plug it back in, it starts stumbling again. So this is definitely the issue.
All right, so now that we know our mass airflow sensor is bad, we're going to go ahead and remove it. So we'll just slide back in the red tab again, squeeze down, pull, put it aside, and then we've got two T20 Torx here and here. They're fairly easy to remove. One note, on some trucks you might see some anti-tamper Torx. Basically they look the same as your standard Torx, but there's a little extra hole in the center. If a regular Torx fits in here, you're good to go, but if you find something blocking you from putting in, it might be anti-tamper. You can get those at parts stores, places like that. And there's our mass airflow sensor. Here's the new mass airflow sensor. Shiny side up when you put it in. Also, there's a little inlet there, that's where the air goes through, so you got to make sure that's facing into the direction of airflow. Now we're going to torque this to 62 inch-pounds. That's inch-pounds, not foot-pounds. Now we'll plug in our connector, push in on the red tab, and let's start it up.
All right, you can see our mass airflow rate is consistent. It's a little bit lower than that 8 grams a second we were looking for, but it's consistent. I think it's lower because we have a vacuum leak. We'll have to diagnose that later on, but we fixed the mass airflow sensor, which is the most important thing. All right, now listen to this baby purr. So swapping out that mass airflow sensor was the fix for this. Nice and easy and simple to do, and we're able to track that with the BlueDriver.
If you've got an F-150 that's got some issues that need repairing, have a look at our channel, subscribe. We're going to be doing more videos on this truck. If you like this video, then let us know below with the comments by clicking like. And if you have any requests for future fixes, then just let us know. Until next time, fear no fix.